chasing a short in the blinker system for probably half an hour. I think I may have found it. You can look in there. Hang on, I'll just see if I can reposition it so I can point at it. See if I can point this out a bit better. So I zoom in here. It's a bit difficult to get it to focus because it's so close. But this here is an insulated contact, and there is a ground. And you can see there where that tag should be bent into that groove so it doesn't rotate. It's not bent into the groove to insulate it, and it's now contacting ground. So I'm going to try and repair that, pull it back into position, push it back into the insulator, bend it a bit so it stays there, and hopefully that'll stop burning out flasher cans. Sorry Nev, I'm going to try and demonstrate the problem we have with this blinker switch. See, if I try and push this position back into where it should be, you can see the other end over here, it jumps out of position. And if I go around that side and try and push that in, it jumps out of position again. So that tag is poorly formed, and if I operate the switch, see, it just rocks over. It's no good to us, I don't think. I'm not sure if we can do something about getting another one, because that's causing the short. It's shorting out in the housing and overloading the wiring. Tell me what you think.